Hello everyone, for those who are new to the channel, my name is Siddhant Mehta and I cover everything related to construction, technology, startups and career development. This is a fun vlog about a recent event that I hosted, which is called as the Build Tech Connect Atlanta. The aim of this event was to bring together a community of all the stakeholders involved in the built environment, that is your owners, developers, contractors, architects, design consultants, tech providers, venture capitals, essentially everyone, just to connect, network, and learn from each other. For the first event, we had an awesome lineup of panelists. We had Sandeep Ahuja, who is the CEO of Cove, which is an AI-powered architectural service. We had Bryan, who is the CEO of Undaunted, which is a robotic-powered security solution. And we have Michael Pink, who is the CEO of SmartPM, which is an AI-powered project controls and scheduling platform. And here are some of the clips from the event. So this is behind the scenes from setting up the space before the event. That's the robot dog by Undaunted. And we had a couple booths for Cove and SmartPM as well. This is me just a few minutes before we kick off the event. Kind of excited, kind of nervous to kick the first of many Build Tech Connect events. We have an awesome lineup of panelists from all niches of project lifecycle. So super excited to kick this off and watch the entire video to see how it went. This is me doing some final prep and gathering my thoughts before I moderate the panel. Firstly, thanks so much for coming in. This is our first Build Tech Connect event. And thanks for choosing us over Beyonce. Just in quarter one of 2025, venture capital investments in construction rose up to $1 billion. That is a 46% year-on-year growth. So you read the stats, and this leads to two big questions: the what and the why. Why is this happening, and what can we do to mitigate it?
And with something like architecture, I don't think a software can solve a problem because it's a workflow problem.
And one thing that you had mentioned before is, how do we get into a pilot? One of the ways that we've really, had a lot of success from was being very willing to put, our time and our money where our mouth is and give a 2-month out clause. If somebody wanted to pilot it and they wanted to move forward and they weren't necessarily sure if it was going to work in their organization, we've given them the ability to back out within 2 months if they want to. So that's been very favorable on our end as well.
I feel like I already know that many people take that 2-month out.
Oh yeah?
Oh, people did.
Well, why? No, how many people actually?
Did it. We're like, okay, no, that was great. We're actually not going to do it.
We had to get a little bit smarter. We had to say, okay, well, first of all, if you're going to do this pilot and you're going to sign this deal, then you do need to show up at the training meetings. This isn't about kicking tires, because if you don't, then we're still at least going to charge for time. But the other piece that was very interesting to me was that it alleviated a lot of the red tape that you need to go through with legal, as well as getting, even the young person who's interested in purchasing this software needs to go get 4 or 5 other people to basically sign off on it. But we give them 2 months, and what we noticed was, I think we had about 12.5% cancel rate, but of the 7 of 8 companies that move forward, some of them would expand. So right off the bat. So we noticed that we're actually making more money that way, and it's okay to lose one once in a while, but if the others are expanding because they had that chance to learn and didn't feel as though they are putting their neck out to go try something, it ends up working out in our favor. And I think that has to do with the fact that we are very, very confident with our product.
So I'll be right back. I need to go change some contracts that are out there. No, that's so smart. How do you get them to say yes? It's the hardest thing.
We covered a lot of different topics, and the link to the entire panel is on my channel. I'll also link it somewhere here and write it down in the description below. We talked about a lot of different topics like the real world examples of using AI and the value it generates. How do you build trust with AI and the insights that it generates? What are some of the cultural barriers and the mindset shift that is needed? What are some of the business models? How do you quantify the return on investments for pilots? How do you navigate through the data privacy barriers such as SOC 2 compliance? What are some of the hot takes for the future of AI in built environment for the next 2 to 5 years? And much more. If you enjoyed the vlog, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and please let me know if there are any other videos that you would like to see on the channel, and I'll try to cover those. Thank you so much. Until then, stay curious.